Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube paracord community. Today we're going to create this beautiful paracord bracelet, but before that, if you want to learn how to make this bracelet I'm wearing today, you have full tutorial in the top right corner of this video information cards. Also there you can find lots of other useful tutorials. The Sanctified X, I'm not sure who is a designer, so if you know who designed this beautiful bracelet we're gonna make today, leave a comment down below so I can give a credit in the description of this video. So thank you all for help. Today we're gonna use the green Paracord 550, the mint 325 Paracord, and the yellow Paracord also 550. Now we're gonna start by creating the bracelet core. And when you find the center, simply pull this loop into the bracelet, like so, and then from the top insert the cords into the loop. Now here the important thing is that we're gonna insert our yellow cords from the top into the buckle and our green ones from the back into the buckle. So yellow from the top, so we're gonna take our green and make it around those two cords, and from the back through the middle and to the side, and with the left one also from the back through the middle and to the side. Now we're gonna take the yellow and again from the back through the middle and then through the loop on the right side. And with the left cord the same, from the back through the middle and then through the loop on the left side. Now here, before we secure this, we're gonna take our 325 paracord and we're gonna insert it from the back, like so. So we're gonna make it next to the yellow middle ones, so here, and on the other side as well. Now pull it with the ends so you'll have the equal length to work with on the both sides. So take the mint green, right side on top of the yellow cord, and then in the middle between first and the second cord on the left side. The left strand across from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the right side. And through the gap between first and the second on the left. And with this right strand also from the back through the gap between first and the second cord from the right side. Now pull it, secure it, and proceed. So we are almost finished, but something is missing here in the center. I think you agree with me. So let's take one piece of a yellow and pull out the inner strands and then insert it in the middle, so we have the firm and solid structure of our bracelet.